Hey John, it's Jack here from Fireland Chevy. Wanted to give you another video here of the vehicle starting up and how the new Duramax diesel sounds. So here we go, we'll do the remote start. Don't mind those lights flickering, it's just the way that the camera makes them look. It's very bizarre. I don't even know if you'll be able to pick it up, but I assure you that they are very much solid lights. That looks wild. Go inside the cab here. Let me turn this climate down so maybe you can hear it. I'll be quiet here for a second. Very quiet. And then lastly, let's pop the hood real quick.